Boy, the other thing, there's definitely an advantage to not having the carbs, to eating the steak and eggs, the high-fat diet, the clean protein. My brain is clear. I don't need to sleep as much. I don't even need the alarm clock in the morning. I'm just awake on exactly 7 hours of sleep. Sometimes 6 hours, 45 minutes. I'm just awake. And I'm not awake hungry. I'm just awake and aware. So I get up, I wake up, get out of the bed, that type of thing. So clarity is very good on this diet. I don't have any lulls throughout the day.